Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that many of you have been curious about. What makes a girl want to go home with you? It's not just about looks or charm, it's about connection and understanding. So, let's break down the key elements that can make her feel comfortable and excited to take the next step with you. First things first, creating a comfortable atmosphere is crucial. Whether you're at a bar, a party, or just hanging out, make sure she feels at ease. This means being attentive, engaging in light conversation, and ensuring she feels safe. A relaxed environment can make all the difference in how she perceives the situation. Next, show genuine interest in her. Ask open-ended questions about her life, passions, and interests. Listen actively and respond thoughtfully. When she sees that you're genuinely interested in her as a person, it builds trust and connection, making her more likely to want to spend more time with you. Humor is a powerful tool. If you can make her laugh, you're already on the right track. Light-hearted jokes and playful banter can create a fun and relaxed vibe. Just be sure to keep it respectful and avoid any sensitive topics. A good laugh can break down barriers and make her feel more comfortable around you. Confidence is attractive, but there's a fine line between confidence and cockiness. Be self-assured in your approach, but don't overdo it. Show her that you're comfortable in your own skin, without putting others down or bragging excessively. A humble confidence can draw her in and make her feel more at ease. Respecting her personal space is essential. Pay attention to her body language. If she leans in, that's a good sign. But if she seems hesitant or pulls away, give her space. This shows that you respect her boundaries, which is incredibly attractive and can make her feel comfortable around you. Remember, it's all about creating a mutual connection where both of you feel at ease. Another great way to make her want to go home with you is to find common ground. Talk about shared interests, hobbies, or experiences. When you discover something you both enjoy, it creates a bond that can lead to deeper conversations and a stronger connection. This shared enthusiasm can make her feel more inclined to want to continue the night with you. Authenticity is key. Be yourself and don't try to put on a facade to impress her. Women appreciate honesty and vulnerability. Share your thoughts and feelings openly, and encourage her to do the same. This level of authenticity can create a safe space for her to feel comfortable and connected with you. Finally, know when to make your move. If the vibe is right and she's showing interest, don't be afraid to suggest continuing the night together. You could say something like, "Would you like to grab a drink at my place? Or I have a great playlist I'd love to share with you." Just be respectful and gauge her reaction. If she's enthusiastic, you're on the right track. To sum it all up, if you want her to feel comfortable enough to go home with you, focus on creating a relaxed atmosphere, showing genuine interest, using humor, being confident yet humble, respecting her space, building a connection through shared interests, and being authentic. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights. Share your experiences in the comments below what has worked for you. Let's keep the conversation going. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.